In our last video, we talked about human intelligence. But as we grow older, our brain ages too, and yes, that affects intelligence. So today, let's explore how to slow down that aging process and keep our brain sharp for life. Before we dive in, hit subscribe, tap like, and turn on the bell, the easiest triple combo you'll ever pull off. Ever open the fridge and forget why you did? Or have a friend's name on the tip of your tongue, but it just won't come out? Yeah, we've all been there. We laugh it off and say, "Ugh, I'm just getting old." But what if those moments are your brain's quiet cry for help? Aging isn't just wrinkles or gray hair. The most dangerous kind happens silently, inside your brain. But here's the good news. Brain aging isn't fate. It's flexible. Chapter 1. The brain builds what you use. The secret word here is neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire and reshape itself through learning and experience. Like muscles that grow from training, your brain strengthens or weakens based on how you use it. 2 core strategies. First, build your cognitive reserve, your brain's emergency savings account. Every time you learn, read, or think deeply, you're adding new neural connections. So even if some cells get damaged with age, your brain has backup routes ready to go. Second, keep your brain clean. Throughout the day, your brain builds up waste, toxins like beta amyloid that can damage cells and lead to Alzheimer's. Luckily, your brain has a built-in cleaning crew called the glymphatic system, and it works best while you sleep. Chapter 2. 5 habits to rewind brain time. Move till you're out of breath. Aerobic exercise is brain fertilizer. When you walk or run fast enough to feel your heart race, your brain releases BDNF, a protein that grows and connects neurons. You don't need a gym. Just 30 minutes, 3 times a week, can light up your brain. Eat in color. You are what you eat, and your brain especially believes that. Colorful fruits and veggies are packed with antioxidants that protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Omega-3s in fish and nuts keep cell walls strong and reduce inflammation. Start today. Add 1 rainbow-colored veggie and a handful of nuts to your plate. Learn something unfamiliar. Your brain hates comfort zones. Try a new language. Take a different route home. Brush your teeth with your other hand. These small acts force your brain to grow new connections. That's how you build cognitive reserve. Sleep deeply. Sleep isn't rest. It's maintenance time. During deep sleep, your brain's glymphatic system flushes out toxins like beta amyloid. 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep is the strongest anti-aging medicine for your brain. Stay social. Humans are wired to connect. Conversations activate multiple brain regions at once. Listening, understanding, expressing, reading emotions. All of that keeps your brain sharp and alive. Plus, strong relationships lower stress hormones and protect your brain. Conclusion. The secret to a timeless brain isn't in high-tech medicine. It's in the simplest things: walking, eating well, learning, sleeping, connecting. So imagine yourself 10, 20 years from now, still curious, still laughing, still remembering yesterday with perfect clarity. Don't fear time. Grow wiser with it. Now tell me, which of these 5 habits will you start today? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's stick to it together.